Hello friends, welcome back. Today we have the Realme Pad 3 with us, and I'll guide you how to allow app installation from unknown sources. So just follow the steps carefully to enable this option safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's start today's video.